Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone looking for first option is called increasing Facebook page likes. So Facebook page likes we have to creating campaigns or we can posting the content. Lot of things are we can do. The major important key point is called first of all you have to increase the option is called to share the Facebook page plugin onto your website. So how to add in the Facebook page plugin on your website? First of all, select your website. Before understand this website will be providing for swimming pool classes in Gachibowli and Kondapur office by nearby areas. So in this website, how we can adding for Facebook page plugin. So how to use a Facebook page plugin? The Facebook page plugin, the major important is called to increase the Facebook page likes based on your posting option. Now select your option. In this, we can use the particular URL developers.facebook.com/doc/plugin/ page-plugin. Here, simple step, add the URL and you can selecting the proper width, small header, every options are here. So in this one, I can show this in a particular option will be here. This is the posting option. So in this posting, we have to use the small width. Suppose the minimum width will be 80. This one. But width is not a matter, height is a matter. Minimum 70. 70 is this one. You can go for 100. So 100 not suitable. You can increase for 150. So not suitable for 180. Not suitable for 250. So they show your post. Small post will be there. You can scroll up. They can see the post will be here. After this one, any particular width, height, everything will be common. In this, every option will be here. We can hide the cover image or small header or show your print faces or not. Every option will be here. So most of the people, they're visible only for particular page option. They can't show the post. So up to we can give by 180 height. So right now I can show only for this option. Now, how can I add this code in a particular pages? In our service pages, people looking any kind of services, in the right corner side, I have to show my Facebook page plugin. So right now, they can't show any Facebook page plugin option. Now I'm adding for Facebook page plugin option. Simple, final get code. They're generating for step 1, step 2 code. First of all, copy the step 2 code, selecting for notepad. Any file will be happen. We can use in the notepad. Next, we can use the step 1 code. So both will be copied. Log in cPanel. Go to File Manager. In this public underscore HTML, go to Application. In this, go to option call is Views. In this, where you can add the particular code option. I can go to particular page here. In this page, I can add the particular code option here. So refresh. They show your Facebook page into right corner side. So the based on your page option, not visible. So I've entered not a wrong code. Just I have to go with the specific page option. Service info, edit. We have to check here where our page is there. So in this, we can add your particular option. So where exactly page, we can add your particular option. So that will be important. Now I add in the code. So here, I place the code in this option. The code will be placed here. So after that, code will be placed in this option. Simple. We have to use your break option. So after that, they give the certain space on the particular page under your services page here. So this is called, you can add your Facebook page plugin to increase the likes from your website. So that is the reason people adding for Facebook page plugin on your particular website. Don't forget the URL developers.facebook.com/doc/plugin/page plugin. In this one, simply generate the code option. Here, don't forget, first we can go to step 2 code. After we can adding the step 1 code option. This will be adding for which page you can add the page plugin. We can add the page here. Still, if you have any further doubts, you can ask me always in my YouTube comment section. I will be support always how you can adding the Facebook page plugin on your website to increase the page like purpose. Don't forget, step 2 code is the first, step 1 code is the second pattern. Add the code in notepad that you can paste on your where the place the code, all pages will be workable. So we can go to any page, they show our my Facebook plugin on the right side corner visible by user to like your Facebook page purpose. Follow these instructions, increase your page likes by using Facebook page plugin. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.